This is what I wanted to show you, the log hauler that I made out of a boat trailer. Today in the video, the grandson's pulling the log and I'm walking behind him. We just pulled the log out of the woods. And he's just waiting for me to catch up. I apologize if the camera's a little shaky. But here's how it works. You pick the front of the log up with the winch, and then I have a chain that straps around the log to secure it to the back of the log hauler. It's real simple, and it pulls really nice. Just one part drags, the other part you lift up and pull. I do believe the grandson's enjoying himself. It's not bad making it out of scrap metal. And it can really pick up the logs. I'm for sure if I let him go, my grandson, he would just keep pulling it. And I've had some very big logs in this. Never seem to have any problem with it. Pulls just fine.
Hey!
Well, there you go. That's my log hauler that I made out of a 12-foot boat trailer. Thanks for watching.